Hi everyone, my name is Kayla Fagan and I am the social media manager at Arlington Strategy. Today I'm going to just go over a quick tutorial on how to view your Facebook page insights. First, log into your Facebook. Navigate over to the page that you want to log into to view your insights. Once you see this screen, go ahead and scroll down on the sidebar until you see Insights. You click on Insights, you're taken to your page summary. Here, you're automatically shown the results from your page for the last 7 days. However, you can go up here and change your date range. I highly recommend checking your insights at the end of each week, the end of each month, and also going in and looking over a quarter and a year to make sure your page is performing as you want it to. Now, one of the most important things on Facebook Insights is to check on how your posts are performing. After all, you don't want to keep recreating dead posts. An easy way to do this is to go over here and click on Posts. Here you'll find all of the posts that you've recently published, including the timestamp. You'll see the reach and the engagement. Up top, you're showing when your fans are online. This is really important when you're scheduling out your posts because you want to make sure that in order to get the highest rate of engagement on your post, that you're posting when your fans are going to be available to see your post. For more tips on using your insights, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also follow our blog. You can subscribe to our blog at arlingtonstrategy.com.